We went the wrong way. My titties are cold. Alice and Queen of Hearts made it on the train. She had to run in heels. It sucked.
Hello everyone and welcome on board your...
We made it. We're here. I haven't been here in years, okay? So this is a surreal experience. Yeah, over a decade I haven't been here, okay? So yeah, I'm very excited to document this. This is gonna be fun. Little Halloween weekend. Woohoo! Let's get it started.
Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Shots, 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 shots. Everybody! Shots, 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 shots.
Guys, you already know Shawdyy got fucking hungry, so we're already bar hopping to the next place. This is a bar and a burger restaurant, so we'll see. We'll let you guys know how the food goes. We already had a couple shots and a couple drinks over there at that bar. And yeah, now Shawdy's hungry, so we gotta fuel up before we hit the rave. Anyways, oh, okay. Oh, there's police. Oh my god, we're being too noisy already. We look amazing on the sides of the street, you know. We went the wrong way.
It's okay. It's Toronto. It's not that far anyway.
Look at how cute these shops are. Look at how cute these are. Look at them. Ooh. Thank you.
Hey, John, suck your shit.